Hello there, it's Christian from Grantham's in Retford. So today I'm going to be showing you a 2022 KNAUS Sport and Fun. So we'll start off by taking a good look on the outside of the Caravan. It's really sort of funky, stylish looking. You've got the green and blue decals there. Also got that blue trim which goes around the front, the wheel arches and the back corners, both the top and bottom. So at the front of the Caravan, you've got your Alco stabiliser there. You've got a 13-pin Continental socket, your handbrake, and also a jockey wheel with a load indicator. Got a window there with a sunroof just above. Coming round to the near side, this Caravan has got huge underbed storage. So you've got here a big garage door. Just here's the inlet for the internal water tank. We've got some nice looking alloys as well. Just here we've got the inlet for your mains, and that brings us round to the back of the Caravan. So, just like you might see on many motorhomes, you've got some ladders there which will take you up to the roof. There are roof bars across the Caravan, meaning that you can strap things down on there. It's also got a hail-resistant roof. Okay, and to the offside, you've got your door there that takes you to the Dometic toilet cassette and the frosted window. Got a two-piece split door which can come in handy. Again, that takes you to the underbed storage, and this is where your gas bottles are situated. And that will bring us back round to the front. Okay, so we're going to step foot into the Caravan now. As I said, it's got a split door there, so all you need to do is twist that around to there, and you can simply just lock the bottom half of the door. Great if you've got pets. Handy little bin on the door, and a little shelf just in there. So, as you walk in, you've got this semi sort of wraparound seating area here with a table. That table does drop down to make that into a double bed. And then on the right hand side, you've also got the memory foam mattress, a good sized double bed there. You've got your window in there fitted with fly screens, blinds, and also you've got some net curtain and some tabards. So this piece here is for a hammock that just sort of sits up there. You can't sleep in it. It is not strong enough to sleep in, but it's good for sort of storing items or bedding. So the underbed storage, which I was talking about, from the lockers on the outside. So you lift this bed up, and if you look under here, ample storage. Now you can have the bed lifted up, and it just clips up there. So say for instance you were storing some bikes or something, you've got enough sort of space there for the height. Really nice upholstery scheme in this. You've got this sort of part faux leather, sort of grey colour I would say, and then you've got like a 2 or 3 tone blue sort of stitching into the upholstery. Got some lockers just up above the seating area, and then you've got an LED light up on the ceiling there. Now that does get really bright. Got a roof light just up here as well. Next to the bed there, you've just got a spotlight. And then let's have a look at the kitchen area. So it's a lovely stylish sort of curved kitchen. The sort of colour scheme that we've got going on the cabinetry does match the upholstery, and it really does flow as you come into this Caravan. So you've got a Dometic 3 gas burner on here. Got a stainless steel sink which is really quite deep, and a mixer tap, and some more storage space up above. Down below we've got 3 set of drawers and some more cupboard space. So on the right hand side, just here, is the place for your television. So this does slide out, So you can pop your telly on there and you can watch it either from bed or from the seating area. And then you've got your power points in there as well, and the point. So if you had a TV aerial fitted onto the Caravan, you can simply just pop it in through there, and that's it really. And that'll sort of go away nice and tidily in that cupboard. Down below, another cupboard, lots and lots of shelves. And then next to the seating area, onto the left-hand side, you've got a really tall fridge. Lots and lots of space in there. You've got a freezer box up at the top. Just below here, you've got a handy little stool that does pull out. Cushion's just in there. And that's so that you can comfortably seat 4 people. Next to that, you've got your heater. There is blown air heating that's distributed around the Caravan. And then up above that, you've got a wardrobe with a rail on there. And there's your controls for the hot water. Opposite to that, you've got your shower door, which is extremely wide. So we'll get that open. Now you might think, oh, this looks rather too small to be a wet room. Actually, down here, your shower tray slides out. So you get a nice, spacious sort of wet room. The curtain pulls all the way around the outside there to prevent your floor from getting wet. Your shower curtain here also has an air chamber, which is supposed to prevent the shower curtain from sticking to you. Lovely little sink there. And then you've got the mirrors. Hello. Couple of spots up above, and then there's a rail that you can pull down if you've got any wet clothing. So it's a super wide rear door. This Caravan does have certain options which would allow you to carry a motorcycle. This one in particular has not, but you can have like load tie-eyes on the floor. You can get the motorcycle rack. You can also get the loading ramp on the rear. But handy little bag at the back there, maybe a little hole there for an umbrella. And this door opens up like that. And there we have it. That's the 2022 KNAUS Sport and Fun. If you've got any more questions at all, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My name's Christian, and it's 01777 838 193. Now, the Caravan is at our Retford site, situated just off the A1. We're open 7 days a week, Monday through to Saturday, 9 till 5, and then on Sunday, 10 till 4. You can pop me an email. It's christian.pearson@granthamcaravans.co.uk. There we have it. Thank you so much for watching.